The National Investigation Agency, or the NIA, has busted an Al-Qaeda module which was planning to carry out attacks in the national capital. Total of 9 Al-Qaeda operatives have been arrested by the NIA in raids that were conducted at multiple locations in Murshidabad, West Bengal, and also in Ernakulam in Kerala. Let me first go across to my colleague Sreshi, who's joining me on the phone line, getting us all the updates that are coming in. Sreshi, this is a big terror module that has been busted, and there have been multiple raids that were conducted in West Bengal as well. Take us through the details of what the NIA discovered and the people who were eventually nabbed in West Bengal.
Well, a big terror crackdown coming in from the National Investigative Agency. Early morning, NIA conducted simultaneous raids at several locations in Kerala and in West Bengal, and a total of 9 terrorists associated with Pak-sponsored module Al-Qaeda were arrested by the NIA. NIA had learned about an interstate module of the Al-Qaeda operatives at various locations in India, including West Bengal and Kerala. This particular group that has been nabbed was planning to undertake terrorist attacks at vital installations in India, and their aim was to target innocent people and create a fear of terror in the minds of the people. NIA had already begun a case in New Delhi on 11th of September, and these raids are related to that case, which is ongoing. 6 people have been arrested from West Bengal's Murshidabad, while 3 have been arrested from Ernakulam in Kerala. Now, in terms of what has been seized from these raid sites, large quantities of incriminating materials, including digital devices, documents, jihadi literature, sharp weapons, country-made firearms, even a locally fabricated body armor has been recovered from these raid sites. Articles and literatures of how to make explosives at home have also been seized. As per the preliminary probe which is underway by the NIA of these arrested terror operatives, they have said that an Al-Qaeda, Pak-based Al-Qaeda terrorist organization made on social media, reached out to these people and motivated them to undertake attacks at multiple places, including the national capital region. And for this purpose, the module was actively indulging in fundraising in the country, and a group was also supposed to travel to New Delhi to procure arms and ammunition. So a very big crackdown there coming in from the NIA. Of course, these 9 terrorists who have been arrested will be produced in an NIA court in West Bengal and Kerala later in the day, and their police custody will be demanded. And there will be further probe to unearth the module that is operating from India.
All right, Sreshi, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there. As Sreshi pointed out, this is a big terror crackdown that has been done by the NIA, and it is not just raids that were conducted in West Bengal, but we're also looking at raids that were conducted in Ernakulam in Kerala as well, where the Kerala DGP has now confirmed the arrest of 3 Al-Qaeda operatives. 2 are from Perambavoor and 1 is from Patalam. In fact, the raids were conducted at 12 places in Ernakulam. All the 3 will be produced in the NIA court in Ernakulam today. Let me go across to my colleague Vivek, who's joining me live, getting us all the updates there of this big terror crackdown that has happened in Kerala. Vivek, over to you for the latest updates. This is a big terror crackdown that has happened in West Bengal as well as in Kerala. Take us through the details coming in of what the Kerala DGP has revealed regarding the arrest of the Al-Qaeda operatives in Ernakulam.
The Kerala DGP Loknath Behra has confirmed the arrest of 3 terror operatives, Al-Qaeda operatives in Ernakulam. 2 were arrested in Perambavoor, and the other one was arrested from Padalam, which is near Kalamassery in Ernakulam. The person who was arrested from 2 people who are arrested from Perambavoor are Murshid Hassan and Yaqub Biswas. Both are from Kolkata, from Murshidabad district. And the third person called Mosraf Hussain has been arrested from Padalam. All the 3 were arrested at 2 o'clock, early hours of the day. And what we are told is that they have found digital devices containing certain important details, and also arms and other jihadi materials have been confiscated from them. And all the 3 are now being questioned at the NIA office in Ernakulam, and they will be produced in the NIA court and later be handed over to the Kerala police for further interrogation. Remember, it's a very, very important crackdown at this point of time. Already there were allegations that such radical elements are operating in various parts of the state, especially in this place in Perumbavoor, where there are large number of people who are coming from other states. There has already been a report regarding this, that such radical elements are present among them. Now, these people actually, all the three had come here in the month of April. That is when the strict lockdown was,
Okay.
being enforced by the central government. It's at that point of time they came here. They've been working as laborers here. And in the meantime, they have also belonged to certain WhatsApp group. They've been operating through WhatsApp groups. They've been coordinating with certain people based in Kolkata. And also they were planning to go to Delhi in a day or two. And, they were basically targeting certain important vital installations. They were planning to target certain people, important people, and also to kill innocent people and create a sense of panic among the mind of the public. Now, these are all directly connected to the Al-Qaeda. Also, certain materials which clearly substantiate that they've undergone training here has also been captured, has also been confiscated by the NIA officials at 2 o'clock early today. And this has come as a huge, shocker, especially at a time when there is already an investigation underway, regarding the gold smuggling case, when that is underway. So NIA is also investigating that. Now, this particular case, which is busted by the NIA, this terror module which has been busted here by the NIA, now clearly substantiates, now clearly, reiterates the fact that radical elements are operating based in Kerala. Earlier also, there has been a number of reports. Remember, just a month ago, in the month of July, the UN has submitted a report saying that in South India, especially in the state of Kerala, that IS operatives are, the foundation is very strong. They are operating out here. So substantiating all these claims.
So that's a big terror module that has now been busted. We are, of course, looking at further updates coming in at this point with 9 Al-Qaeda operators who have been arrested after multiple raids conducted in both West Bengal and Kerala.